If you took trades today and did not make money in the market, I'm going to have to slap you in the back of the head because today gave us 2 A+ entries for more downside, and we took both of them. We took one on a funded account and we took another one on a set of evals and basically passed all of them. Now in this video, I'm going to go over step by step how my entry model worked, how you could have used it today to the best of your advantage, and I'm also going to go over what we could have done better. In the first trade, we could have done a few things better, had a little more patience, but overall, the trade setups were A+, and I can't complain whatsoever. If you enjoy this type of content and you want to see more breakdowns of my strategy, make sure you comment below and also leave a like on this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Give me some feedback. I read all the comments. Enough wasting time. Let's get right into it. As always, you guys know with my entry model, we mark our first 15-minute candle high and our first 15-minute candle low. This is going to be your 9:30 a.m. opening candle. You're going to wait that first 15 minutes and mark the high and the low of that candle. This is now going to be your OR. What is the OR? That is going to be your opening range. Now, before we do absolutely anything, once the 15-minute candle closes, we need to go look at what smart money is doing. If we look at our wave tool here, we can see puts were ahead basically all day, and calls went ahead a little bit here, started heading up a little bit to start the morning, but then we ended up just going straight down for the rest of the day, showing that we had a bearish bias, that whales were selling their calls basically all day. So if we have a bearish bias with our wave tool, we're looking for one or two things. Now that this 15-minute candle is closed, we're going to go down to a 1-minute time frame, and we're going to wait for price to either sweep the opening range high, take an entry for shorts to head lower, or we are going to wait for price to go below the opening range, then wait for a retest for short entries here and then head lower there. So those are both of our entry models. In this video, I'm going to be going over the entry model that I actually took in real time, which is actually the one that is less risky and gives you a better risk reward overall. If we go to the next candle, we can see that price ends up breaking out of this opening range. We get that sweep that we've been looking for, so then we can look for a downside position. And again, guys, call flow just started heading straight down. This is telling me that we are bearish on the day. So if smart money is selling their calls all day, I'm going to combine that with my futures trading strategy, which is going to be where I look for a short entry here. We're going to take our short entry off of that opening range high, stop loss above the high of day, take profit at the low of the opening range. Now, a couple scenarios here that I want to go over. Let's go ahead and press play and see what happens next, and I'll show you guys what you could have done differently. So we press play, we get a push to our TP1. Now, on our fundeds, we were trading 15 funded accounts at the time. We ended up getting out of most of our contracts down here at the first TP, because wave was a little back and forth. You can see wave was, even though wave was bearish, it was still a little choppy. We were bearish, but we weren't extremely bearish like we were late in the day. So we were being very cautious and trailing our stops. We ended up getting all out right here for a trailed stop. That's still 75 points on NQ. It looks like a small amount, but it was still 75 points on NQ. But check this out, guys. We go right back to our entry and we said, okay, we're going to switch to my eval accounts and we're going to take the same trade. Stop loss above the high of day, take profit at the low of the opening range. Still the same setup. We're still bearish. We've never invalidated the original short entry of the inverse orb because we never broke back above that high. So we're going to take our short entry here and target that low of day. Worst case scenario on these evals, we lose the evals, or maybe not lose them, but we lose some money on the evals, and then we're still green on our fundeds. Let's press play and see what happened next. TP1 gets hit. You can move your stop loss to break even or just in the profit, whatever you prefer. Give ourselves some more room here. Now, as you can see, TP2 gets hit. Let me give you a little rundown of how we look today across all of our accounts. So this is what we're going to look at. We made $11,000 across the day. Now, don't go crazy here because this is $11,000, but it's not all actually on funded accounts. We made $4K on our Apex account. That was on our Apex accounts. That's going to be the original entry that we had. You can see that we made about $297, $277 on this account. Across all 15 accounts, equals out to $4,400, getting pretty close to a payout on these. And then if we go take a look at these Lucid Flexes, these are our Lucid Pros. They're already not being traded today. They're just kind of sitting there. But if we go look at the Tradeify 50Ks, you can see that we made $1,300 today, and that was on this trade right here that you're seeing on the right-hand side. $1,300, 147-point move to the downside. Overall, we didn't pass these accounts yet. We're getting pretty close. So if you want to combine funded plus evals, we're up 11,250 on the day. day. But in reality, we're up 4,437 on our Apex 15 funded accounts, and I could not be any more ecstatic. Now, if we want to talk about some things that I could have done differently, my only regret in this trade is that we did trail our stop a little early on this first one, because overall, we actually could have hit full TP here with no problem. As you see, we could hit full TP, and I believe that would have been about like my biggest day of the year, probably like a 20 to 30K day. But it's really easy as a trader, especially somebody that does it every single day, to go back and say, I could have done this better, I should have done this better. It's great to do, but overall, if you're happy with the profits and you have a good RR, as you can see here, even though we didn't get the full TP, we still got our TP1 for a 2.14 R and 75 points. If you get that move and you're happy with the profits, walk away. It's as simple as that. I've been trading for 7 years and I've never gone broke taking profits just a little early. I'm not telling you to just take profits as soon as you see green, but it's okay to start trimming and letting your stops trail and risking off of your trades. The less time you're in the market, the better you're going to be overall. Again, that's coming from somebody that's lost tens, 20, 30, 40, $50,000 in the market in my lifetime. I'm profitable now, but at one point I was in a very bad place and I was not doing too well in this trading thing. But after years of experience, years of winning, years of losing, I have came down to find the best system that works for me day in and day out. Whether I take a trade, I step away that day because my entry model doesn't show itself. No matter what happens, I am happy and okay with the day, because I know this entry model works a lot more than it doesn't, and the risk reward is always going to be there. Matter of fact, if we take a look at our stats for the last 7 or 8 days, we're up $26,000, 89% win rate, and our R multiple is a 2.0 R. Now, this is only in the last 9 trades, which is in the last 8 trading days. I've only taken 9 trades. I don't take 100 trades a day. My trades are very minimal. Maybe in the ASA session, the night trades, I'll take more. It's a little more of a gamble. But for my ES and NQ trading strategy that I trade every single morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern, this strategy has an insane win rate, and I only take maybe 1 to 2 trades max per day. And also, if you love this journaling platform and you want to see more, link in the description below. Journaling is my new platform. Would love for you to check it out. But other than that, beautiful trade today. Cannot complain. It was absolute A+ setups, and I can't really ask for a better trade day overall. I tried to keep this video as short and sweet as I could so you can get the most value possible in the least amount of time. If you have any questions whatsoever, make sure you leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I'm going to be giving away one 50K flex account on Lucid to somebody that's lucky in the comments below that likes this video, that's subscribed here on YouTube, and again, that does comment below of this video. Don't forget, if you want to watch me live trade this entry model every single morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern, I am live inside of my VIP Discord, 7-day free trial in the description below. Yes, I'm that confident. I know you're going to love it. It's a great group, great community, and I would love for you to be there to watch me live trade every morning. And don't forget, if you're trading on Lucid, Alpha, Apex, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Tradeify, use code CHAMP at checkout. It's the best code in the world. Thank y'all for being here. Love you all a long time, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Peace and love, baby.